If you're always on the road and trying to warm up your lunch, this is perfect. I got a 3.5 liter electric lunchbox. It comes with this case right here, so you can carry it. Here are the chargers. The chargers come in the little case. What's cool about the chargers or this lunchbox in general, you could charge it in your car or you could charge it at a regular outlet. So either one. Here's the top. You open it, it has your utensils, a fork and a spoon. This little slot right here is the vent. And then it has a handle and it has 4 locks all the way around to secure it. So this is the lid. This is the compartment top. So for your smaller foods that you want to stay warm, your sides, this is it. And then this is where you put your main dish, where you want it to heat up. Your steak, your burgers, whatever. So here it is, and this is the base. So this goes in here, and this goes on top. And then when you warm it up, make sure this vent is open. So the hot air could come out and you lock it in place. And here you go. There's the power indicator when it starts heating up. And here's the 2 separate chargers, so you can't mix them up. So one's for your car, the one's for the outlet, and they're different shapes. So yeah, so this is awesome to have when you're on the road, you're a driver, you can't stop to get your food, you take your lunch and you want to warm it up. Perfect. I made some carne asada and some burgers yesterday, so I'm going to use my lunch box to warm it up just so I could show you. So let's go ahead and put the asada in. I'm going to go ahead and close it up. Make sure that the vent is open. And let's lock it, plug it in, and I'll show you when it's done. My lunch box is plugged in and the indicator light is on, so it's heating up. So it's been about 10 minutes. This is the vent to make sure it's open, so let's open it. It feels pretty warm already. So let's check it out. Woo, look at that. See the smoke coming out, the steam. Nice and warm. This thing works awesome. Nice and warm.